Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit, fine and safe at your home. Welcome back to your maths class. Class 5th, subject mathematics. This is our chapter 2. Name of the chapter is percentage and average and this is our lecture 1. Today's subtopics are introduction of percentage. Along with this, we will do conversion sums. How to convert percentage into fraction and percentage into decimal and how to convert decimals into percentage or fraction into percentage. So we will do conversion sums from exercise 2A. Let's start with our first topic, that is percentage. Percentage, the word per means out of and cent means 100. Thus percent means for every 100. Percent, every 100. And this is a symbol to represent the percentage. Okay, understand this? This is the symbol to represent percentage. We generally see these type of posters or pamphlets in the newspapers. That this is the regular scene in all the big malls and marketplaces. Sale 50% off, 80% off. We generally see. What is the meaning of that? We will understand from this chapter. Now look here, what is this? This is a report card. We generally get report card now. Report card of class 5th A student. Subject, English, Hindi, Math, Social Science, Science. Then marks obtained. Total marks. And then percentage. See, what is this column? Percentage. This is name of the student is written Ajit Kumar. This child has got 90 marks out of 100 in the subject Hindi. So 90 marks out of 100 per 100. Understood? We have learned now. Percent means per 100. 90 out of 100, that is 90%. 85 marks in English. 85 out of 100. 85 upon 100 is there. 85%. 90 out of 100. 90%. 80 marks in social science out of 100. So 80% marks he got in social science. Science. 85 marks out of 100. So 85% marks he got in science. Understood? So total marks he got 440 out of 500. Right? How he has got 88%, this I will explain you in next question. Okay? Exercise 2A. Now first question, write as percent. 2 upon 100. 2 upon 100. This is our fraction and we have to convert this into percent. So a fraction with denominator 100 can be expressed as a percentage by just putting percentage symbol with the numerator. Because we know percent means per 100. 100 is already given. So 2 per 100, that is 2% or 2 percentage. If we are getting 100, we will put directly percentage sign. And if we are not getting 100 as a denominator, so we will make 100 in denominator. अगर हमें percentage का sign लगाना है तो हमें denominator में 100 चाहिए. Understood? B part 13 upon 100. So it is 30%. 26 upon 100. 26%. When the denominator is 100, fraction with denominator 100 can be expressed as a percentage by just putting percentage symbol with the numerator. This is the rule how to convert. तो numerator के साथ percentage का symbol लगा देंगे when denominator is 100. Question number 2. Express the following as percent. A part 19 upon 4. 19 upon 4 multiply by 100 upon 100. What we have done? We have multiplied numerator with 100 and denominator also with 100. But डिनोमिनेटर का जो 100 था दैट हैज़ बिकम परसेंटेज सिंबल. As we have done in the previous question, we have learnt 19 upon 4 multiply by 100%. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20. 19 into 25, 475, and put percentage sign from here. You will put percentage sign. Understood? So when there is a fraction having denominator other than 100, so you have to take 100 by multiplying and dividing by the same number. सेम 100 से हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया, 100 से ही डिवाइड किया, देन देर इज नो चेंज इन आवर गिवन नंबर, गिवन फ्रैक्शन. और जो डिनोमिनेटर का 100 था दैट हैज़ बिकम परसेंटेज. राइट. सो नाउ यू टेल मी 27 upon 4, what will it become? 27 upon 4 multiply by 100%. 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 2 is left, 4 fives are 20, 675%. Now C part, 36 upon 8. 36 upon 8 multiply by 100%. 36 multiply 100, 3600 upon 8. 3600 upon 8 means 3600 divided by 8 will give you the answer 450, and then put this percentage sign here, 450%. Understood? This division you can do in rough column or you can do cancellation also. 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32. 36 minus 32, 4 will left, 8 fives are 40, and then we will take the 0. It will become 440. So you can do either by cancellation or by division. You will get the same answer in both the cases. Now question number 3, convert into fraction. We have to convert the percentage into fraction. To convert a percentage into fraction, place the given number over 100 and reduce it to its lowest form. Understood the rule? Place the given number over 100. जो given number है उसके नीचे आप 100 लगा दीजिए, because percentage means per 100. So A part 48% means 48 upon 100. Now we have to reduce it into lowest form. We will do cutting here. So 48 upon 100. Cancellation is possible with 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20. So 12 upon 25. Now no more cutting is there, no more cancellation is there, we can say. So this is our lowest form, 12 upon 25. And check it, it is in proper fraction form. If it is improper, then definitely we have to convert it into mixed fraction. अगर हमारा lowest term में आंसर improper है, then we will do division and we will find mixed fraction. Next is 92%. That is 92 upon 100. Percentage means 1 upon 100. Now cut down again with 4. 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20, 23 upon 25. This is proper fraction and it is in the lowest form. So this is our answer, 23 upon 25. Next is 25%. 25% means 25 upon 100. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So our fraction has become 1 upon 4. But if you are not converting it into lowest form, then definitely your answer is not exactly correct. 92 upon 100 is correct, no any doubt. But you have to convert it into lowest form if it is possible. अगर कटिंग हो सकती है, आप नहीं कर रहे हैं, then definitely your marks will cut down in your test. Teacher will definitely deduct the marks. Now question number 4. Express each of the following as a percentage. Now decimal number is given, we have to write in the form of percentage. 7.18, whether the number is in the whole number part or if it is a fractional number or if it is decimal number. We have to take the same process when we have to convert it into percentage. We will multiply and divide the given number by 100 and the denominator 100 will change into percentage number. So the number will become 7.18 multiply by 100%. 7.18 multiply by 100%. Now 100 is here. 7.18 multiply by 100. Directly we can shift the decimal. As it is multiplication, so decimal will move forward. How many places? 2 places. So 1 place it will come between 1 and 8. 1 more place it will come after 8. So our answer will become 718.0%, or we can say 718%. Right? B part, 0.86. Now you start telling me what is the process. First of all, 0.86 multiply by 100%. Understood? Now shifting of the decimal, as multiplication is here, decimal will move to the right side, forward. How many places? Multiply by 100. 100 contains 2 zeros, so 2 places forward. So decimal will shift 1 and 1. 2 places forward, it will become 86.0%, or we can say 86%. Understood? C part, 0.0497. First step is 0.0497 multiply by 100%. If you are not shifting directly decimal, then I told you one more process that you can change it in the form of fraction and then you can do cancellation. In both the ways you will get the same answer, right? So now after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. We have to shift decimal only 2 places to the right. So start shifting 1 place, it will come between 0 and 4. 1 more place, it will come between 0 and 9. Only 2 places. So our answer will become 4.97%. Got it? 4.97%. So now have you understood the meaning of this? 50% off, 80% off, up to 80% off means if it is said that on any object, suppose on any toy, there is 80% off. It means if the cost of the toy is 100 rupees and you are getting 80% off, it means 100 रुपये पे आपको 80 रुपये का डिस्काउंट है, 80 rupees का डिस्काउंट है. So you have to pay only and only 100 minus 80. That is 20 rupees for that toy. Got it? This is the meaning of this discount sale percentage. If it is a 50% sale, 80% sale, then you can understand. Now question number 5. This question is also from your exercise 2A. Express each of the following as a decimal. Now percentage is given, we have to convert into decimal. A part, 30%. Write as a decimal. Percentage means 1 upon 100. So 30% will become 30 upon 100. Understood? Now 1 0 from numerator and 1 0 from denominator we can cancel. It means what we are doing? We are doing cutting with 10. 10 3s are 30, 10 10s are 100. So after cutting we will get 3 upon 10. 3 upon 10. Denominator is containing 1 0. So we will put decimal after 1 digit in the numerator. So numerator ones placed ones and then put decimal. 3 से पहले आपको decimal लगाना है. So our answer will become 0.3. So 30% has become 0.3. Understood? Now B part, 54%. 54% means 54 upon 100. Okay. Question is express the following as a decimal. So put directly decimal, no need to do any cancellation here. Because if you start doing cancellation, कि मैम ने कहा था अगर लोएस्ट फॉर्म में नहीं है तो लोएस्ट में करना है, then you will convert it into lowest form. Then again you will get a number like this, 2 upon 25 or 5 upon 50. Then you need to do division because your answer should be in decimal form. So the best way is here, if you are getting denominator as 10, 100, 1000, don't do any cancellation. Directly put the decimal. Understood? Depends on the question. What is asked in the question. If it is asked convert into fraction and change it into the lowest form, then definitely we will convert into fraction and then cancellation will also be there. Now it is given express as decimal. So we know that if there is 10, 100, 1000 at the denominator, we can directly insert decimal. We have done in the chapter of decimal this. Okay. So 54 upon 100. 1 and 2. 2 zeros, 1 and 2. Put decimal here. Our answer will become 0.54. Got it? Next is our G part, 168%. Don't get confused, this is C part in your book. Okay. So 168% means 168 upon 100. Understood? Now we have to change into decimal. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now put decimal here between 1 and 6. So our answer has become 1.68. Percentage sign will not be there. Why percentage will not be there? Because percentage की जगह तो हमने denominator में 100 लिखा है. Percentage means per 100. Understood? Out of 100. So our answer is 1.68. Next is our H part. 11.25%. Write as decimal. 11.25 upon 100. Right? Now remove this decimal also. After decimal 2 digits are there. So denominator will contain 2 more zeros. Means 100 multiplied by 100. That is 1125 upon 10,000. Understood beta? 2 zeros for percentage sign and 2 zeros when we are removing decimal. There are total 4 zeros in denominator now. Right? Now denominator is containing 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. When we are converting it into decimal, we will count from ones place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now we will put decimal. So our answer will become 0.1125. Understood? 4 zeros were there, so 4 digits we want after decimal. So our answer has become 0.1125. I hope you have understood these all the types. Definitely you need to do practice because it is new chapter. You have not done in the previous class. So whenever you are starting, you have to start from very first lecture. It should not be there that you have left lecture 1, lecture 2 and you have started doing the chapter from lecture 3. Then it will be difficult to understand. Do from the starting and be regular in your studies. Now it's time to take homework. Your homework is do question 1, D and E parts, question 2, D and E parts, question 3, D part of exercise 2A. The types which we have done in this lecture. You have to do the practice sums of the same type. Okay? So do these questions in your practice notebook. Read the question carefully, understand it and then you follow the process and do your solution. Okay beta? And you have to do neat work. Use pen for your work. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.